Yeah, doctor, that's very true, because as you told, this comes under a lifestyle disorder, and many of the patients who is facing hypertension is of having obesity also.
Exactly.
Primary, in my experience, what I think is, doctor, we have to manage through the obesity also. Then
Correct.
only we will have a better result in
Exactly.
hypertension.
Correct.
So, according to your experience, doctor, did you dealt with any such cases recently, or?
Yes, doctor. There is a very nice case we dealt recently. One obese patient, aged 45 years, he is in a good position in a corporate sector. He was taking modern medicine for hypertension for his BP. The BP was around 150 by 100 every time. As he was taking the medication, still the BP was not getting in under control. So he came just to take the alternative medication so that his BP will be in control. So he used to regularly take the BP at his home also, and the medicine was also going on. But when we saw that what is his regular habits, what time he is getting up, what time he is going to the office, and how many hours he is sitting in the office, how much is the stress he is dealing with, and what type of a diet he is having. It was very important, and as per his total case history, I came to know that his dietary habits was very bad. He is habitual to have all the junk food, like the fried food, too much of salty food is there in his diet. And you also know, doctor, that nowadays with the chips and the junk food also have salt in it.
Yes.
Too much of sugary drinks he used to have. Deep fried items. In the snack time, he used to go for a tea and having samosas regularly. And he was not feeling it that it is hampering his BP, and his health is hampering with that. But after stopping all this junk food and after taking all small herbal Ayurveda medications, and we gave him some weekly twice Shirodharas and some herbal medications for his BP and for his sleep. Basically, he was not sleeping properly. His sleep was very disturbed. Some anxiety issue was also there. With small dietary changes, with small herbal medications, and along with Shirodhara, now his BP is quite stable. Now his modern medications was also reduced, and he is really happy with all these changes. So after, you can see that we can just change in dietary habits, in his lifestyle changes, small habit will give a good result in this.